How to move domain from GoDaddy to Hostinger. To move your domain from GoDaddy to Hostinger, you'll need to follow a series of steps to ensure a smooth transfer. Begin by logging into your GoDaddy account and unlocking your domain for transfer. This can typically be done in the domain settings or management area. Once unlocked, you'll need to obtain the authorization code, also known as the EPP code, for your domain, which GoDaddy will provide either immediately or via email. Next, log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the domain transfer section. Enter the domain you wish to transfer and provide the authorization code when prompted. Hostinger will then initiate the transfer process. During this time, it's crucial to point your domain to Hostinger's name servers to ensure uninterrupted service. You can do this by accessing the DNS settings in your GoDaddy account and changing the name servers to Hostinger's, which are typically ns1.dns-parking.com and ns2.dns-parking.com. The transfer process can take anywhere from 5 to 7 days to complete, depending on various factors. During this period, you may receive emails from both GoDaddy and Hostinger requesting confirmation of the transfer. Be sure to respond promptly to these to avoid any delays. Once the transfer is complete, your domain will be fully managed through your Hostinger account. Remember to update any necessary DNS records in your new Hostinger control panel to ensure all services associated with your domain continue to function correctly.